This is the D final of the men's 100-yard butterfly. Lane 1 from Sunrise Swim Club, Evan Hall. Lane 2 from Asphalt Green Unified Aquatics, Ryan Troy. Lane 3 from North Shore Swim Club, Owen Burton. Lane 4 from Grosse Pointe Gators, Brendan Fallon. Lane 5 from Chelsea Piers Aquatic Club, Chase Elliott. Lane 6 from Humpunk Swimming, Tyler Gallup. Lane 7 from Northern Duchess, Mr. Dolly. Lane 8 from Commonwealth Swimming, Philip Lang. And lane 9 from Streamline Aquatics Club, Raymond Tariq.